before, our food is composed of organic and inorganic. And we discussed before that organic food, it is mainly made up of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. While inorganic food is everything derived from nature. Like what? Like water, like mineral salt. Today's lessons is about organic food. What do I mean by organic food, guys? Organic food, guys, means the food that is combustible. What do I mean by combustible? Means yield energy. Give us energy. Like what? Like carbohydrates, second, proteins, and third, as I told you before, lipids. Today's document is about carbohydrates. As its names indicate, it is made up of carbo for carbon, hydrates is for hydrogen and oxygen. The question is how I can test the organic food carbohydrates. What do I mean by this? I believe that if I have a bowl, guys, and I have a substance right over here, and I'm wondering, what is this substance? Is it carbs? Is it protein? Is it lipids? I need to know. I need to answer this. So I am in need to make a test. This test is known as iodine test. What is iodine, miss? Iodine, it is a substance. Its color is brown-orange and it is found in the lab. This iodine substance, if I add some drops of iodine to the tested substance and its color change from orange into blue, it means that it contains carbs. Definitely it contains starch. Let's repeat this. So, you know that carbohydrates is about starch and reducing sugar. Starch means nasha, and it is found in corn, in bread, in rice, and everything we talked about before. So, how I detect the presence of starch? I put the substance in a bowl and I add some iodine drops. Iodine. Natural iodine is orange. Its color is orange. If this orange turns into blue, it means it is positive. Yes, it does contain starch. If it remains brown-orange as it is, it means it doesn't contain starch. So, إذا ضل لونه مثل ما هو, if it remains brown-orange, معناتها it is not a starch substance. If it turns into blue, it means it does contain starch. So, as a conclusion, guys, now I can figure out what is the substance. So, which test I need to do? I need to do iodine test. So, part A. The test for starch is iodine test. What is the color of iodine test? Its color is brown-orange. If it turns after a certain time into blue, so it is positive test. This is the first test. Let's skip to the second test. Test for reducing sugar. In the first session, I explained for you what do I mean by reducing sugar. Reducing sugar means it is formed by 2 units or less, yani 1 unit. Like what, Janice? Like fructose. What do I mean by fructose? It is the sugar that it is found in the fruit. Like maltose and lactose. Maltose and lactose, it is the sugar found in milk and its derivatives. So, كيف فيني أعرف أن a substance contain reducing sugar or not? The same way, I have a bowl. I put the substance right over here, but I do add a different reagent. I do add Fehling test. Test of Fehling. كمان, it is a solution found in the lab. So, its color is blue. I add some drops of filling, but it needs heat. يعني هيدا التست I need to do it with heat. I heat up the substance and I add filling test. If after a certain time, few minutes, and delta here, delta is for heat in chemistry. So, if it turns into red brick precipitate, brick like the color of the brick. So red brick precipitate, which means the test is positive and yes, it contains reducing sugar. So let's repeat this test. This test, filling test, is done in order to verify the presence of some reducing sugar, like fructose, maltose, sucrose, as we took before. In order to do this test, we need to put a bowl and a substance inside this bowl. And I need to add some drops of filling test. With heat, if it turns from blue to red brick precipitate, it means it contains sugar.